Welcome back to Budget Boss, everybody. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make this beef barbacoa street tacos. But before we get into it, make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe, and you hit that notification bell so that way you don't miss out on any time we come out with some new videos. Alright, so let's get into showing you guys how to make these delicious street tacos. Just as a refresher, we did make a Chuck Roast beef barbacoa a few weeks back. I showed you guys the process of seasoning it up, get it on the smoker, make sure it has that good bark to it, and then we placed it in an aluminum pan, added some beef broth as well as beef tallow, wrapped it up, placed it back onto the smoker until it was probe tender, which means internally it was 200 degrees. We pull it out, it's able to shred apart nice and easy. We call that tenderism. And then I packed them up and saved them for later. In order to get started on this recipe, we're going to shred up 8 ounces of pepper jack cheese and 8 ounces of mild cheddar cheese. We'll then blend them all together. We'll get our Pit Boss Ultimate Griddles started. I'll put some butter on top. And then I'm going to grab our leftover barbacoa and I'm going to place it on the griddle to heat it up. I will be adding some beef broth to it so that way it softens. But while that's heating up, I'm going to take a handful of my cheese mix. I'm going to place it directly on the griddle. As you can see, they'll start melting. I'm going to take my corn tortilla and place it directly on top of the cheese and let it melt and form a nice crust. Once it has this nice crust, we're going to flip the tortilla so that way the other side of the corn tortilla gets heated up as well. And then we'll add our heated up Chuck Roast Barbacoa. So we'll make sure that the tacos are nice and hefty. We're going to fold them over so that way that each side gets a nice crust crunch to it. We'll fold it over. Now what you're going to be looking for is a red / orangish tint to the tortilla. Once you flip it, it should look something like this. That's how you know it's done. It's not too hard. We'll pull it right off of the griddle. And then we're gonna add a couple of things like chopped onion and cilantro. And you can add this and be very generous with it. It really does add a lot of brightness and depth of flavor to the taco. Then we're gonna be adding some of my favorite tableside salsa. If you make your own salsa, feel free to use that. And then I use my favorite chipotle sauce that we have. And then I top it all off with some cotija cheese. This really helps the flavors mesh together extremely well. You see that crunch. You see those results. Absolutely incredible, guys. Just know delicious does not have to be difficult.